Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace old, damaged earpad cushions for these Sennheiser GSP 500 wired gaming headsets. This tutorial will also work for the GSP 670, GSP 600, GSP 601, GSP 602 and GSP 550 gaming headphones. When replacing the earpad, you also have the option to replace the velour earpads to leather-type pads. See my previous video for the difference between them pads. These earpads are very easy to remove. You grab the pad on one side and pull it off until it detaches from the body of the headphones. The earpad cushion on the headphone body is attached to these 6 plastic hooks. New replacement earpad cushions can be found on the web. Just decide what type of pads you want, velour type or leather type. The new replacement earpads are very easy to put on. Take the earpad cushion and hook it against the headphone body hooks and press the pad against the body of the headphones. You should hear a few clicks when you press the earpad against the headphone body at different points. This will mean that the earpad is locked in place and you can get back to gaming. I hope this video was helpful.